Hey Ma, are we on?
We are.
Marvellous. Welcome back to the kitchen. Now,
Why are we always doing these in the kitchen?
I don't know. Because it's raining, isn't it? It's raining outside. And this is where the food prep happens. And I guess it's all about the food, isn't it? So this is week, is it
11?
9, 10, 11? We've not done one of these for a little bit.
I know, we've been busy.
We've been busy. I've been lots of orders in workshop, which is great. But,
Yes.
So yes, 11 weeks into the low carbness, and amazing things have happened. I have lost a stone now, which is quite amazing.
Can you
if
translate
I stand
that
sideways, you can still see me.
Can you translate a stone? Right?
A stone, 14 pounds. Actually, I've lost 14.5 pounds.
Yep.
And there's 14 pounds in 1 stone. So really, really pleased. Slimming down and things are definitely fitting me.
You're just going closet shopping like crazy.
Better. Yeah, it's fantastic. I'm up in the loft, getting my old clothes down and seeing what's in wardrobe, but back of the wardrobe and stuff. And it's really nice. Quite exciting actually. I've noticed when I've been playing rugby, I can run around loads now, and I used to do this funny thing where like like that all the time, and that stopped. So yeah, tremendous stuff happening. Losing inches as well, which is brilliant. And Mar's doing good too. What are you up to, Mar?
Oh God, like 8 pounds.
8 pounds.
It's the same.
Yeah, 8
Hasn't
pounds for
changed.
Mar. Her body's like, don't want to let go.
No.
Don't want to let go, wants to keep it. But what's really good is I actually plateaued for about 3 weeks. I was about the same weight. And then just last couple of days I've started to go down again. So I guess it's important not to give up and think, oh, it's not working, I'm not doing it no more. Go and get a bag of chips.
But you also had a couple of weeks off of rugby and now you're back to it.
Yeah, I did. And we had a great game on Wednesday. We beat Burton 2012. All fine and dandy.
You tell by the amount of mud you brought home.
So all fine and dandy. I had a nice Ma roasted me some Brussels sprouts the other day. They were nice with butter and herbs and everything on. Like that a lot. And the hamburgers still going down well, aren't they, Ma? We're liking them.
Yeah.
They're really nice. Yeah, so all's good in the hood. We're happy, and there's less of us than there was.
Yeah, we're going to keep going.
We're going to keep it going. Let us know how you're getting on.
Except I need to have a scone once in a while.
Sometimes you just need a cake.